Let's make the viral crazy puffs from Little Caesars. They are delicious. Let's start making our garlic butter Italian urban parm seasoning blend. Start with a stick of melted butter, a whole bunch of garlic, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Use that to grease your muffin pans. And then my dough, you take a pound of dough, split it up into little balls about the size of golf balls. I had 9 total. I put it on top of my stove that was preheating at 400 degrees to let it poof a little. Now I took a shot glass greased with a little olive oil, and I'm creating that well. Then I took a wooden spoon to just make sure you want a nice deep well so that we can fit all of our ingredients inside. So just work that dough, creating that nice well. Then we're going to take some of that garlic seasoning butter blend and put it on the inside. And now we're going to take our pepperoni, shove it down into the bottom. We want to make sure that we have enough room for everything. Top it with a little bit of pizza sauce. And then some shredded mozzarella cheese. And again, kind of press it down as you are loading this up with your ingredients. We're going to take another piece of pepperoni, put it on top, pressing it down some, and now load it up with a lot of mozzarella cheese to cover that top completely. Then we're going to take it, put it in our 400-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Here is how it's going to look. When you take it out, take that garlic butter blend and spread it over the top. And then let it cool for about 10 minutes or else you're going to burn your mouth. And then look at that. Look at that gorgeous cheese pull. It never broke. I think I could have went across the room. It was so awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Give me all the likes and love, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it. I hope you love this recipe. Bye, everyone.